Right, welcome to the solution to problem 8-9 located on page 368. Smoky Corporation produces barbecues, selling each unit for $900. Current annual production and sales volume is as follows. Tax rate, other cost information. Okay. Requirement number 1, compute the contribution margin and contribution margin ratio for the company. So contribution margin, total variable costs per unit 360, selling price for each unit is 900. So 900 minus 360 means our contribution margin is $540. Contribution margin ratio is contribution margin over selling price, 540 over 900, contribution margin ratio of 60%. Okay, 2. Compute the break-even point in units and sales dollars for the company. Okay, so fixed costs divided by contribution margin gives us the answer in units, 1,250 units. And to get that in sales times 900 selling price per unit, $1,125,000. Number 3, compute Smoky's margin of safety in units and dollars. So margin of safety is sales minus break even, right? So the number that we sell over and above our break-even point. So total sales, 2,400 units sold, minus a break-even of 1,250 gives 1,150 units times our $900 selling price, and we get $1,035,000. Okay. Compute Smoky's degree of operating leverage. If sales increase by 40%, how much will before tax profit increase? Okay, so degree of operating leverage is contribution margin over net income. In this case, we have, so that's going to be 2,400 units sold at a contribution margin of 540 each, which is 1,296,000. And the net income is going to be the contribution margin minus our fixed costs, which is 1,296 minus the fixed cost of 675,000. So that's 1296 over 621, 2.087. Okay, so the next part of the question was, if sales increase by 40%, how much will pre-tax profit increase? So if sales go up by 40%, pre-tax profit will increase by 40% times the degree of operating leverage, 2.087, or 83.48%. Okay, number 5. If the company wants to earn $410,000 after taxes, how many units will it have to sell? Okay, so this is a target profit question, but we have to convert the after-tax target profit into a pre-tax target profit. So the tax rate is 25%. So after-tax profit of $410,000 We then have to divide it by 1 minus the tax rate, 0.25, and that gives 546,667 as the pre-tax profit. Okay, so now we can take our fixed costs, 675, add the pre-tax profit that we want, and divide it all by the contribution margin per unit to get a production level of 2,262.3 or 2263 units. And that completes the problem.